Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
Hey guys, it's Najee, and today I'll be showing you guys how I revive my curls without washing my hair, because I'm not ready to let them go. It's day 3 and this is the volume I love, but I just want my curls back so that they could be this big and beautiful, okay? And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. It's a few products that I use. They're completely inexpensive. It's really quick, really fast. Okay guys, we'll only need 3 things to achieve the look. So we're going to need a spray bottle with some water. Okay. The Coconut Curl and Style Milk by SheaMoisture. A microfiber towel for the drip. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so first we want to start by parting our hair. My hair is usually part in the middle, so it's already parted. And we just want to take one side. Sorry if I'm looking away, guys. I got to make sure that I'm not getting water everywhere. And we just want to spray all over this hair, okay? Like, just get it, just get it nice and damp everywhere. Okay, so once you've done that, you should be good to go. You don't want to have it too wet because you still want it to have some volume so that when it dries, it'll just, you know, be big still. But my biggest, oh yeah, and just take your microfiber towel and just kind of scrunch it up a little so that it's not dripping. But I try to get the top and the front because those are where I want most of the curls, okay? That's what people see, the front and the top. So now we're gonna go in here with the Curl and Style Milk and just get a decent amount. You know how much product you be putting on your hair. I use about this much the first time. And I'm just gonna rub it all over the top, get it all in there. Okay. Make sure that the front is definitely getting it because that's where I want my curls. And scrunch it up as you apply, okay? You see those curls coming in? You want to scrunch so they can begin to curl. And you just go back in with as much as you feel like you need for your hair. Everybody's hair is different and everybody knows their hair. So however much you feel like your hair needs, apply that much. I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Okay guys, so I did apply the product to the other side off camera. And if you're not in a rush, then you're good. Like, if you have some time to chill, just let your hair air dry. I feel like the curls look the best when they air dry. I actually prefer to let my hair dry. But since I'm in a rush today, I'm gonna use my hair diffuser to help speed up the process. So if you have one of these, I'm gonna show you what this will do. And if you don't even worry about it. Like, it's all right. It's not a necessity, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna use it on cold air and I'm gonna use it on 1 because I don't want it to make my hair frizzy and I just want it to dry it, okay? Okay, so this is the final product using the hair diffuser. Actually, this was my first time using that one. I just recently got it, and I'll actually do a review on the whole kit because I bought the kit. And yeah, these curls are beautiful. It's slight frizz, but that's expected when I'm rushing it, or I know my hair and I know it gets frizzy quickly. The curls look good. Okay, these edges is laid as hell. Okay, yes. Edges. And now the fun part for me is picking that part. Do you want to wear that middle, the side part? I don't know, but these curls are beautiful. Get in there. Okay guys, really quickly, for maximum results using the Style Milk, I suggest that you use the shampoo, the Curl and Shine shampoo, on your wash day because it makes your curls pop. Okay, it just takes it to a whole new level, better than even this. So try it. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video was extremely helpful to you. If you loved this video, give it a huge thumbs up. If you really didn't like it that much, just give it a little thumbs up. Comment below any video suggestions you have. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on my post notifications so you don't miss a single time I post, and follow me on all my social medias.